travel still, round and around the little way, up and down the little hill. Oh, it is good to love again the renovated skies, dip and dry the idling pen, sweetly tint the paling lights, trace the dripping pierced heart, speak the fair insistent verse, vow to God and slip apart, little better, little worse. How shall end this prettiness? One of us must love the more, one of us shall